back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials, first impressions, and reviews. So today we're going to revisit a older palette, and that's the IMagic 16 color palette. I had a request on a recent video asking me to do a second look using this palette, so that's what we're going to do today. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.